Good morning, everyone. Chef Angelica here. I wanted to do a quick video on this delicious looking, what I call breakfast hash. This one has chopped sweet potatoes, celery, sweet yellow corn, curly kale, onions, and garlic. It's full of nutrition, vitamin C, getting all your nutrients and fiber. This is also just steaming away, cooked in a little bit of veggie broth and spices, whatever spices you enjoy. This has paprika, black ground pepper, coriander, cumin, and some garlic powder. But you can add whatever you'd like. Isn't it gorgeous? Full of nutrition, minerals, lots of fiber. This is cooked in veggie broth, so it's oil-free, sugar-free, salt-free. And you can add what you like to it. It's great in a bowl. Just put some yogurt on it. Keep a big batch in your fridge. Have it as a side dish. Add some tofu for a quick stir fry. I hope everyone's eating their veggies. Let's support our local farmers market. Stay healthy as the seasons change. All right, peace out.